Hi, number 24 in GunShow June explorations. This is our second to last exercise for the month. I'm going to give you a full body combo in the reverse tabletop overhead press. This is also one of my favorite exercises and a full body combo to have at your disposal when you have no time and you really just want to hit everything at once and get maximum benefit out of your short but intense time in the gym. Then this is a good one to include, especially because it has a corrective component as well. We only need one dumbbell for this, so I suggest you go as heavy as you can. You can handle it. So let's get down on the floor for the exercise. If you want to do your mobility drill before that, do your will to live, the YWTL pose, where we're really holding those poses for 20 to 30 seconds at a time without pause for 2 minutes, and then get down on the floor. All right, so the reverse tabletop, I'm sure you've all done this before. Let me take you with me. We are on the starting position here. Okay, with your knees bent, your feet flat on the floor, and you might want to play with this, but if you have, your regular getting ready for crunch position, you should be okay. What we want to see is that when you are fully extended at the top, that you're getting about a 90 degrees. So this would be too close, and then this would be too far, all right? Now, for this version, let's have the hands rotated, the fingers rotated outward or behind you so that we can practice pushing the shoulder blades down and rolling the shoulder back, okay? So that we're not dipped inward or rotated inward or hunched forward. Really get that stretch, okay? Because the hand that stays on the floor is basically planted and doesn't move, okay? So play around with your hand position. Again, don't worry about my double jointed elbows, okay? So once you're there, you're going to pick a side. So I'll do my left side with the dumbbell. So plant the right side on the floor, nice and engaged. Get your dumbbell ready, have it resting against your shoulder, and from here we're going to bridge into tabletop here, and then extend. And if you can, try to sync the hip extension with the overhead press extension. Okay, so try not to dip forward when you're coming down. Keep that nice and engaged, your shoulders back. And if you need to reset, go ahead and come down to the floor and reset. Otherwise, just barely hover or tap the butt down. In this extended position, the arm that's bearing the weight, the side that's bearing the weight, that glute is going to get an extra squeeze, okay? So unilateral move, you'll switch to the other side after you finish the reps on this side, okay? So with proper engagement, you're getting postural work, arms, shoulders, and you're getting arm work on both sides, right? Just differently. You're getting glutes, legs, and abs with proper engagement. So this is a low impact, full body combo to keep in your toolkit. All right, give it a go.